Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix lag in Roblox. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to Roblox, as you can see, choose any server you want, for example this one right here, and then go to the top right here, click on Roblox settings and go to settings here and turn off, make sure that the camera mode is default and the movement is default and the full screen is off and the graphics mode is on manual and the graphics quality is as lower as possible. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this was helpful for you. You can try it and I am sure that it's gonna be working for you well. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much.